Everyone, Gil here, Gray Man Prepping. Well, let's see what we can do today. All right. Watch the second hand go round and around. I'm going to be double doing the fast forward on it today because I'm going to do a long one today. Okay, hour and 15 minutes on the Gazelle. 527 calories on the Gazelle. I'll definitely break 1,000. I may break 1,200 calories today. On the weight bench, I did 30 reps for the overhand curl, the underhand curl low, the overhand and upper hand curl high, and then I did 30 sit-ups. Back at the beginning of the year, I was lucky to do 5 sit-ups. So in 42 days, 43 days, 42 days, I didn't do any sit-ups the first day. I'm doing 6 times the sit-ups I was doing at the beginning. Whew. All right, your prep for today. Make sure you have all of your documentation backed up in several locations for deeds, rental agreements, insurance for the home, insurance for the car, insurance for yourself, life insurance, health insurance, everything. You can, all your important documents, make sure you have backup copies in several locations, in several formats. All right? Make sure you get extra prepped up for this winter.